One Democratic senator is demanding answers after two legal opinions about when the National Guard can be deployed in Tennessee were quietly altered or removed. Welcome to News at 4. I'm Kuntal Ashman.
And I'm Tori Gessner. It comes as Governor Bill Lee ordered the National Guard to Memphis to fight crime.
It's a bold accusation, but Senator Jeff Yarbrough says the proof is in the pudding, or lack thereof.
I've never seen before in my experience in either state government or as an attorney to just see an unexplained, unannounced erasure of previous advice.
Senator Yarbrough citing a legal opinion issued by Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti in January 2024, calling the National Guard a militia, which, under the Tennessee Constitution, can only be deployed in cases of rebellion or invasion if the General Assembly approves it.
That's not my opinion. That's the opinion of the Republican Attorney General of the state of Tennessee, or at least it was.
Yarbrough says a revised version was posted at an unknown date, saying almost the opposite.
Now, the same exact portion says, this opinion doesn't express a view on whether the National Guard serves as the militia under Article 3, Section 5 of the Tennessee Constitution. That's not a revision, that's a reversal.
And Yarbrough says it's illegal under Tennessee law. But that's just the half of it. An AG opinion from 2021 that says the National Guard is considered the militia is gone from the AG's website altogether, which, according to state law, is only allowed if there's a new court ruling or a new law that makes it obsolete. But Yarbrough argues the even bigger problem is the National Guard deployment itself, which he worries could spark dangerous consequences.
What the governor of Tennessee is doing this week is unprecedented. It is part of something that is unprecedented in the history of this nation. And the country is standing knee-deep in gasoline, and this is no time to be handing out matches.
Yarbrough pushing for answers, while AG Skrmetti is coming to his own defense.
AG Skrmetti tells News 2 AG opinions are not legally binding, and the one that was withdrawn was because it did not align with state law. In a statement, he said in part, quote, "If the folks at the press conference are insinuating my office withdrew the opinion 6 months before the election to pave the way for Trump policies a year and a half later, they have bigger problems than this legal question. If I could see the future like that, I'd be neck deep in Bitcoin and Pokemon cards."